Hi guys, I'm Shanaz and welcome to Naz It Up. On our last episode, I made some homemade chili oil and I promised you guys that there'll be more Szechuan food coming up on the channel where I'll be using the chili oil. So today I'm back with a dish called Bang Bang Chicken. Sounds like a fun name, right? So the name Bang Bang Chicken has something to do with this roller pin. And keep watching till the end. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. To cook Bang Bang Chicken, I have some chicken breast here. I'll be poaching the chicken with some fresh aromatics and dry aromatics that I have here. I know some of you might have had the deep fried Bang Bang chicken at some American restaurants. The restaurant style deep fried served with spicy mayo is a more Americanized version. What we are cooking today is a poached version and is more true to the roots. It's actually from the Sichuan province. And I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Here I'm heating some water. I'm adding some fresh scallions and some dry aromatics to the water. I want the water to infuse all the goodness of fresh herbs and dry aromatics. I know some of the Bang Bang chicken recipes do not call for adding the dry aromatics, but I don't like to discard the water at the end. I would rather use it as a clear soup or as a broth, and therefore adding the aromatics really enhances the taste, and I prefer it this way. While the chicken is cooking, let's prepare the dressing. In a mixing bowl, add sesame paste. You can either use Chinese sesame paste or tahini. Then I'm adding some light soy sauce, followed by some black vinegar, some salt and some sugar. Next is some beautiful aromatic chili oil. Guys, you have to make chili oil at home. Please do not use store-bought chili oil for this recipe. I'll put up the link here. I have a chili oil recipe which is absolutely the ultimate guide to making homemade chili oil. Next, some Szechuan peppercorn, just a tiny bit. I insist you guys freshly crushed Szechuan peppercorns at home. The store-bought Szechuan peppercorn is slightly stale and I really don't like it. Next, some chopped scallions, and white sesame seeds. Mix well and our sauce is almost ready. Let's check on the chicken now. After around 15 minutes, the chicken is done. I'm transferring the chicken into a bowl of cold water. This will ensure our chicken remains juicy while it's cooling down. After 5 minutes, I'm transferring the chicken to my chopping board and we are going to bang bang. This is how the chicken salad got its interesting name. Traditionally, a handy stick would be used to sort of beat the chicken, making it easier to portion and shred. If you guys are into authentic Chinese cooking, please do let me know in the comments. What other legends do you know related to Bang Bang Chicken? Once the chicken is properly shredded, I'm preparing some fresh cucumber strips. I prefer to keep the skin on, cut on an extreme bias, and then prepare matchstick cuts. Transfer to a salad bowl, making a bed of cucumbers. I'm also adding some baby spinach. This is completely optional. And then transfer the shredded bang bang chicken on top. I have this delicious sauce here, and I'm adding a bit of chicken stock into this delicious sauce. Mix well and pour over some of the sauce on top of the bang bang chicken salad. I also like to add some additional chili oil, some more fresh scallions for garnish, and some coriander. I'm also adding some white sesame seeds. Look at how beautiful this looks. Oh my god, this is absolutely beautiful. Amber and I were ready to try this Szechuan bang bang chicken. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget about the rich chicken stock that I prepared. The effect of cinnamon, bay leaves, and star anise is absolutely divine. And I'm serving the clear chicken broth for dinner tonight.
Alright, let's try this bang bang salad.
Yes, let's go for it. Wow, where do we start?
Wow, this looks amazing.
Oh, juicy. The chicken is flowing in the juices.
Yeah, look at the sauce that's completely drenched everything.
Ooh.
Wow.
Mmm. Oh my god. It's mind-blowing.
The dressing is phenomenal.
Every bite is just bursting umami.
The chicken is so juicy.
Don't forget the soup. I just thought, why waste the chicken stock, you know? Oh, this is so comforting.
I love it. Wow. So healthy.
I know. This is a great appetizer. It's a cold salad. It's just perfect for your dinner.
Here comes a big bite.
I think we can't stop eating. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you all. Bye-bye.